you doing? Good to see you.
Good to see
Back
you.
here again. SF Subie in the house. So what's new from last time that we filmed your video?
Everything on the outside is almost the same, except the mirrors are a little bit different. And then obviously in the front here, this is really different. We got a front mount, redone engine with a fully built block, closed deck, redone heads, full bolt-ons with a GT35 82 turbo. Stock location. Show you up here. Front mount, turbo, wastegate, a few different things. E85 as well, you can see from the regulator and then the cob fitting fuel line. The only thing I would do is probably change the turbo to a rotated one, but the stock location is doing pretty good for me. It makes a lot of good power, about like 28 psi peak.
Oh my god!
On a cool day, and then 550 to the wheels.
Wow.
Which is,
jeez, you got tuned by Baines, right?
oh yeah, Baines is the best guy out here in the Bay, I'm pretty sure. Like, he's really good. Either that or Snail.
Yeah.
Or GST.
Yeah.
I know GST is really good for Subarus as well. And it's also got cams as well. It's a little bit rough in town, but on freeways and stuff, it cruises just right.
That's insane. I love how the titanium matches with your color.
I know.
It's like very vibrant blue.
I know. That's what I tried doing. Like, I didn't want to get a carbon fiber because on your car it would look really nice since it's a black car.
All right. Okay.
Gonna pull up. I wish that would be.
That's
pretty
us
fun.
when we grow up,
Yeah.
driving in a Porsche.
That's what I'm gonna get to when I'm older.
Damn.
Something like that. But yeah, the titanium is really nice. That it bounces off with the blue. It's a little dirty. I haven't gotten time to polish things up in the
Man,
engine
it's
bay.
all good. You should see mine. I haven't washed my car. It's been like 5 months.
Dude, yeah, no, same here. Today was like the first day in like months that I've like actually like washed my car.
04.
04. Oh, so we're both 04s.
04. So really the difference is the rear fender, the little flare.
Yeah.
And are you on the 5x100?
5x100, yeah. Still didn't convert yet, but probably will do that once I get tired of these. The wheel market is very 5x114 these days.
Yeah.
There's not that many 100s. Make this thing live for a long time.
Yeah, I would be happy with another 10 years.
Oh yeah.
I mean, if it blows up, I'll build it.
Yeah.
But honestly, I have no plans to.
Yeah, other than that, like, just keep it stock. Like, it's still a really fun car.
You have to remember that these cars were sold in 2003.
Right.
So
it's technically a year older than what it's stated.
yeah.
Because on my on the title from the previous owner, he was the original owner from dealership, and it was like early 2003, like April of 2003 or something. So I think it's about to hit its like birthday pretty soon. I mean, we are in the month of April, so
That's insane.
it's crazy that it's that old already.
These two came from the same factory.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
What was it like?
It's Fuji.
Fuji, yeah, Fuji Heavy Industries
Yeah.
is what it is. I got the little plaque on the VIN.
Yep.
It's so cool. I love to see that.
255, 35, 18.
Yeah. They're like almost the same. It's just a little bit more like lip right here compared to like mine. But the sidewall is pretty much the same kind of chunk.
What's your size?
265, so 10 up from you.
Okay.
So not that big.
You
of
can
a
see it
difference.
looks a little bit meatier though.
Just up in the front,
Yeah.
I'd say. Mostly because I think of the lip, like right here. Makes it look more stretched.
So when I heard the video, when you uploaded the video about the car idling, when you were
Right.
pulling out of the garage
Oh yeah.
with the cams.
Yeah, dude, it's even better when you're actually like driving. Yeah.
Go ahead and hop inside, and then you don't have to rev it, just turn it on.
Yeah.
I want my car to sound like. Man, it sounds like a beast. It's so loud.
I know, it's a little bit louder than my 50, but that's how it is.
With the cams and everything, right? Yeah. How much are you at right now?
Still like below half.
Just
a
put
bit.
more.
Yeah.
You're below half, huh?
Yeah. It's like right below that line. So I'll put like.
Here, I put the thing on. Yeah. This is so funny.
I know, everybody's probably looking at us like, what the heck?
Oh, damn. All right. All right, well, this time I'll see you around.
For sure. I'll
Take
catch
care,
you.
all right?
All right, man.
All right, be safe.